how to find markets on Kalshi using search and categories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find markets on Kalshi using both the search feature and the category section so you can quickly discover prediction markets that match your interest. So open up any browser and head over to kalshi.com. So once you're in the home page, the easiest way to find a specific market is by using the search bar at the top of the screen. So you can just simply click on it and then you can type the keywords related to the topic you are interested in. For example, you can search for inflation, interest rate, elections, weathers, events, or more. So as you type calls, it automatically shows relevant markets, making it easy to spot what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. But if you're not searching for anything specific and you just want to explore, then you can see various categories here in the homepage like trending, new, politics, sports, culture, crypto, climate, and many more. So you can just tap on the dedicated page that you want to explore. And when you open a category, you can scroll through the available markets. This is a great way to discover opportunities you may not have thought to search for directly. So, that's it. Using the search bar helps you quickly find exact markets, while categories are perfect for exploring and discovering new opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.